A high warning is in effect. Currently 57 degrees with a storm.
This is a special weather statement issued at 11. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe storm warning for northwestern Wahkiakum County in southwestern Washington, central Pacific County in southwestern Washington until 12. At 11:47 a.m., Doppler Radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These storms were located along a line extending from Waco and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Grays River, Francis. This includes the following highways: mile marker 29, State Route 4 between mile. Doppler Radar has indicated Doppler Radar within these storms. Although a tornado is immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
To two times the odors for Breeze Small.